Hey guys, it's me Peyton.
Me Dylan.
And we are here at Busch Gardens
to ride Iron Gwazi for the first time. Super excited.
Opened a couple weeks ago, but we're finally here in Tampa to ride it.
I'm super excited to ride my second Rocky Mountain construction coaster and my first refurbished Rocky Mountain construction coaster. My first Rocky Mountain construction coaster was Goliath at Six Flags Great America.
And that was just about a year ago that I took him to my home park. So I'd already ridden Goliath, and then I've also ridden the Iron Rattler. So I'm real excited for today.
Yeah, excited for Iron Gwazi. Busch Gardens is my favorite amusement park in Florida, which is saying a lot because Islands of Adventure has VelociCoaster, but Busch Gardens just has so many great attractions.
Let's get to it and we'll tell you what we think of the ride.
So not only is this going to be our first time riding Iron Gwazi, but this is going to be our first time using our new GoPro, which was an awesome gift from Peyton's brother Ryan. And we appreciate it so much. We're super excited to use it. We're going to get point of view footage using this strap. It's going to be attached to my hand, and we're going to be able to get footage of the ride on our first time on Iron Gwazi. Super excited.
I'm so much more excited for this than I was for Icebreaker. So
seeing the ride, it just looks amazing. Like the elements, the way the train is going through the track.
And the queue right now is kind of like curly queuing around right where it dispatches from, so you get like a really good view of the train and the start of the ride and everyone's anticipation, so it looks super fun.
The queue is really well done.
We are in line in the front row.
We are waiting to board, and the excitement is mounting.
Please step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. And please stand behind the green light. The gates are...
Mine was red apparently. Y'all, that ride is amazing. RMCs are awesome because they're so like bare bones for using wood that they make it so that the elements just feel so smooth and there's not a lot of clunkiness around you, and it is just, that was awesome.
Guys, that ride just took my breath away. Everything about the ride came extremely fast. So the drop almost felt like a dive coaster, the way you were hanging at a 91-degree angle, and then the ride just never stopped from there. Every element you came into was wild. The inversions on RMCs are just completely unique to any other manufacturer out there. This is a must-do attraction in Florida. honestly, I wouldn't say it's better than VelociCoaster, but it's more intense. This ride slaps.
So what I loved is that it actually like felt like it slowed you down without a brake trim during the stall when we were inverted. So I thought that was really awesome. All right, guys, well, that wraps up riding Iron Gwazi for the first time. I hope you enjoyed our POV footage.
Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and hit that notification bell so you can hear when our new content's gonna come out. And until next time, we'll see you guys later.
Bye. After filming updates, we just got off a night ride, and I am now putting this my #1 coaster.
She's convinced. I'm on the fence, but it might be my #1. The back row is way better. If you're riding it, back row is best. They have different colored lights on the track at night, and so it was really cool, but it was still super dark. You couldn't see what was going on. It was super fast in the back. Fantastic.